Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to take screenshot in CapCut PC. First, drop the media to the timeline. After that, click the duration where you want to take the screenshot and then click on the three lines on the player sections. Click on that and you need to click on the export still frames. Click on that and here you can name it. Choose the path where you want to save the screenshot. Third is the resolution. Click on that and here it can port up to 8K. So right now I am selecting 1080p. And after that, format, click on that. You can save in JPG or PNG. And then click on the export. And after that, screenshot will appear here. Just drag it to the your timeline where you want to put in. So this is super easy. I hope this video helps you to understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.